What turns a small drip into a costly emergency? Often, it is the lack of a routine plumbing check before damage spreads. A plumbing maintenance checklist gives teams a simple way to inspect systems early, support safer buildings, lower repair costs, and avoid more emergencies. A plumbing maintenance checklist is a structured list for checking pipes, drains, valves, fixtures, water heaters, pumps, and water pressure on a regular basis. It helps teams document issues and schedule repairs before major failures happen. Catching a slow leak under a sink early can prevent water damage, reduce leaks, prevent failures, extend equipment life, and support compliance. Before inspections begin, teams should identify critical areas such as water heaters, shut-off valves, restrooms, drains, pumps, supply lines, sewer systems, and outdoor plumbing. Past reports and repair history can reveal recurring problems. From there, teams set a schedule based on risk and use training and digital checklists to improve safety and tracking. Good inspections start with the basics. Check faucets, toilets, visible pipes, and fittings for leaks. Test whether water pressure stays within the recommended range of 40 to 80 psi, and watch drains for slow flow, backups, or odors. These checks catch water waste and early clogs and help avoid damage from high pressure. Teams should also inspect water heaters for corrosion, leaks, sediment buildup, and pressure valve issues. Shut-off valves need to work so water can be isolated quickly in an emergency, and findings should be recorded during the inspection for better accuracy and accountability. Preventive checks help uncover hidden leaks, sewer backups, low pressure, faulty valves, and water heater sediment early. eAuditor Audits and Inspections helps maintenance teams manage plumbing inspections from mobile devices in the field and in real time. Teams can build custom templates for commercial, residential, and industrial sites. Attach photos, assign corrective actions quickly, and monitor progress. Dashboards track recurring issues and performance, and offline capability keeps inspections moving without internet. eAuditor is presented as one of the best tools for plumbing maintenance, whether you manage one building or many facilities. It supports preventive maintenance inspections, commercial and residential plumbing inspections, facility and water system inspections, and leak inspections with compliance audits. Related resources include preventive, commercial, residential, and template checklists, and the work spans hospitals, hotels, schools, universities, offices, factories, apartment buildings, restaurants, retail, and commercial buildings. The main message is to prevent before you repair, because preventive maintenance is far less costly than emergency repairs. Standardized checklists help technicians follow the same process every time, reduce missed issues, and improve accountability. The direction of plumbing maintenance is digital, mobile, and data-driven, with smart inspections, real-time analytics, and automated reporting becoming the new standard. Regular plumbing maintenance depends on routine inspections, clear documentation, and quick follow-up. When teams prepare well, inspect carefully, and track corrective actions, they can catch problems early and protect plumbing systems over time. That is why the process is moving toward digital, mobile, and more data-driven maintenance.